afternoon, sir. I am C. Purnima Lakshmi and she is M. Ramya and she is Mrs. Usharani. She is our escorted teacher. We are coming from Tamil Nadu in Salem district from Sri Sharda Matriculation High Secondary School for Girls. We have been placed the model changing the nature by nature. In that we have been exhibited the model here, sir. Tissue culture, growing of plants in the laboratory by using the tissues is known as tissue culture. Then biomanures and pesticides. Bijamrita, Panchakavya, Jeevamrita, Ganajivamrita, Agni Astra, Surya Kripa. Food preservation methods and then gene modification in tobacco plant and in mushroom. List of some medicinal plants and their uses. And Gulf of Biosphere Reserve Trust, and then to make the whole world as agricultural land.
So, you wrote your ambition is scientist. And how about you? Both. Okay. And you know what a scientist is supposed to do? No, I'm asking a question. Yeah. What a scientist is supposed to do? Because this morning there are wonderful speeches. They are all talking about, So, okay, have a question in the mind, okay? And if you get a better answer, let me know. Or else I'll come back and get back to you about that, okay?